Install the batteries in the wrench. First, you need to assemble the battery. Then install the battery at the bottom of the wrench. Short press the C key to power on. Before starting, short press the C key to reset the torque. Press the U key briefly to switch units. 5 units available. Press the up or down key to preset and switch between different P values. You can store the values you need for easy access. It can store up to 9 sets of data. Press the up or down key. P1 flashes. Press the M key, the small white number next to P1 flashes. Press the up or down key to adjust the torque value. Short press the key for precise adjustment. Long press the key for quick adjustment. Adjust to desired torque. Press the C key to confirm. When force reaches 80% of the set value, green light on. At 90%, yellow light on. At target value or above, red warning with buzzer and flashing LED to prevent over-tightening. Press the P and T key to switch between peak mode and track mode. In T mode, this value changes in real time according to the applied torque. In P mode, the last measured torque value is displayed. The M key controls torque memory. Press the M key to save this torque value to history for future reference. Long press the M key to display the M memory values. Press the up or down key to switch between different M values. A total of 500 M values can be stored. Press the U key to delete M values. Delete all M values. 1. Delete 1 M value. Press the M key to confirm. Press the C key to return to the main menu. Long press the C key to turn off the wrench.